Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up settings. Surprise there, right? From here, scroll all the way down to system and then select reset options, where you will find erase all data factory reset. This will bring up a quick message letting you know that it will remove things like your Google accounts, system and app data. Now, I'll be honest, the thing that matters here is the music, photos and user data. The Google account does not matter whatsoever. It's an account. It doesn't completely remove it. It just logs it out of the phone. So same thing goes for like downloaded apps. You can re-download them. You most likely have most of them from Play Store anyway. And if you created a cloud backup from Google, it just remembers the app's name, which will then start to download them again if you decide to restore. And system and app data obviously can be regained by just changing the settings. So make a backup of the three bottom options if you keep them locally, and if you want to back them up. If you don't, completely disregard this message and proceed by selecting erase all data. Now if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password on your phone, you will need to confirm it right over here. As you can see, I do have one, so I'm just gonna draw my pattern and I can select erase all data once more, which will begin the process. Now on ASUS device, at least this specific one, this is really quick. It should only take somewhere about like a minute to finish up. Benefit of running on the latest chipsets. So I'm just gonna let this finish and come back once it's done. And there we go. I think that was even less than a minute, probably like half of it. So yeah. So now that the process is finished, you can go through the setup of your phone however you like, or just keep it at this state if you're planning to maybe sell it. But yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.